Hello, this is Drew from Greenhse, and today I'm going to be talking about strip light. If you haven't already, go check out Greenhse, our new AI assistant, which includes an extensive guide which will help you find the perfect strip light. It is located in the bottom right-hand corner of our webpage. Here at Greenhse, we pride ourselves on our professional strip lighting, where we have 27 different options, so your every need is covered. Our strip lighting is easy to connect, easy to control, and most importantly, it looks good. Before I get into showing you some of our strip light models, it's important to know the difference between a cob and an SMD strip light. A cob strip light, like this one, has a dotless appearance, while an SMD strip light does not. This is the cob RGB strip light, which is perfect for short runs from 100 centimeters to as big as 5 meters. This is the cob CCT strip light, which stands for color changing temperature, which means it can go from a warm 2700 K to a cool 6000 K. This strip light is also used for short runs. This is the 12 watt per meter SMD strip light, which is perfect for kitchen cabinets, mirrors, alfrescos, and bathrooms. This right here is our most popular strip light. It is the 240 volt strip light full color. It can go up to 50 meters, it's fully color adjustable, and it is dimmable. This is perfect for recessed ceilings. This right here is also one of our most popular strip light models. It is the 240 volt strip light in 4000 K, which means natural white. But we also get this one in 3000 K and 6000 K. This one can also go up to 50 meters and is great for recessed ceilings. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, information, and products, go check out the Greenhse website at greenhse.com.